transformation. Transformation. G. I'm Khalid. I can shift from one place to the other. कैसे भाई? How can I? How can I? चल फिर भी. अच्छा तो ये कौन है? Tiles. Tiles. If it is a glass, ठीक है? Reflection किधर आएगी? Reflection. Number one, reflection. Reflection. Khalil is standing here और अपनी कंघी कर रहा है. आया है. In that line. ठीक है जी? In that line. ठीक है? One thing. It is an object. Walaikum assalam. Object. Who is he? Image of Khalil. It is an image. Object and image. It is the line of reflection or the mirror line. Mirror line or the line of reflection. Line of reflection. जी भाई, the distance, object distance from this mirror line is equals to the image distance, perpendicular distance of object and image. Perpendicular distance of object and image from line of reflection will be same. Same. Number one, I need an object to reflect. Object and line of reflection. Line of reflection. Line of reflection may be x-axis, maybe y-axis. Line of reflection. Number two, we will get the image. Okay, we mark the image. Process. Measure. Irrespective. Process. Image and object. Image and object distance from line of reflection. Line of reflection. Reflection is constant. Constant. Is equal. More suitable word. Example is, if this is the point, triangle A, he said triangle A, please reflect a triangle A onto triangle B, triangle A. Triangle A onto B, reflect triangle A in x-axis. This point, reflected in that line, will be over here. If it is 1, then it will be -1. Again, it is -1. If it is 2, then it will be equals to -2. Triangle B. Triangle B is the reflection of triangle A in the line, x-axis, in the line x-axis. If it is reflected in y-axis, so then it will reflect in this. Acha, okay. Reflection denoted by capital M. The reflection is denoted by capital M. Another line M of A. Reflection of triangle A is equals to B. Equals to B. It means that what is M? M is a reflection. Reflection in the line y equals to 0 or x axis. If a triangle P and triangle Q, he said triangle P is transformed onto triangle Q. Please find the line of reflection. So how can you find the line of reflection? Darmiyan mein. It is on a graph paper. So you can easily find the line of reflection. Now, just a minute. It is the question number 1. Now question number 2 is over here. P, question is P transformed onto Q. Triangle Q. Triangle P is transformed onto triangle Q. Find the transformation. Find the transformation. Find the transformation. Answer. Question of 2 marks. G. 2 marks. What you said? Arham? It is a reflection. It is a reflection. It is a reflection. Full stop. 1 mark. Line of reflection. Line of reflection is y-axis. Y-axis is the line of reflection. Or Jones line, whatever be the line is. Okay? 1 mark for it is a reflection. Other mark for the line of reflection. So please do mention both the things. It is a reflection and line of reflection. Now note all the things.
And question में होगा. And question में होगा.
Reflection is called M. M is denoted by capital M. Sorry, reflection is denoted by capital M. Number 2, transformation. Number second transformation is translation. Translation denoted by capital T. Translation. Translation. Translation is a column vector. Is a column vector. Column vector. Translation is a column vector, which will be added in object to get image. Translation. Capital T translation plus object equals to image. जी बच्चों, question number 1. Given that t equals to -5, 7, transform triangle A, transform triangle A onto triangle B. Triangle A is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. It is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 1. First point is 7, 1. Second point is 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 1. 4. 10, 4. Triangle A. 10, 4. 10, 1. And 7, 1. These are the 3 points. We can easily find from the graph because it is a graphical question. So you can find the points of the triangle. Now 7, 1. First point. 7, 1 minus 5 and 7 is the translation. Object is 7, 1. Image will be 2, 8. Second one is -5, 7 plus 10, 1. 5, 8. And third point, 10, 4 minus 5, 7. 10, 4. 5, 11. Please look at this. Acha ji, triangle A is given to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Triangle A is given to you. He said transform triangle A onto B. Please mark B. Draw the triangle B. Okay, I will draw. What is the given? It is given that the translation minus 5, 7. Please translate this one. Okay. What is the process for the translation? Translation will be added in object to get image.
सर ये दिया है गवर्नमेंट के लिए याद कर
Translation.
सर वो t plus 0 जो है
T plus 0, it is the formula for the translation. You have to learn that. The translation plus object, you will get the image. And image minus object. Image minus, you will get the translation. Okay? These are the two formulas. Number 1 and number 2. Now, first formula. Translation plus object equals to image. It is the translation which is given in the question. Minus 5 and 7. Please add one by one in all the points of the triangle. First point is 7, 1. Please add this one. You will get 2, 8. Now mark 2, 8. Where is 2? It is 2. 8.
सर आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही
Yes, please. What is the problem?
सर आप माइक पास कर ले अपने आवाज सही नहीं आ रही
Where is Galaxy J5? Hussain, are you hearing me properly?
सर मैं हूँ
Man. Who is man?
सर
Man?
सर ये हुसैन अब्बास है सर छोड़े सर सही आवाज आ रही है
Hussain Abbas. Hussain Abbas.
नहीं क्या वो पहले साउंड खराब होते हैं पीछे से
Okay. Now please mark this 2, 8. 2, 8. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 8. 9,
रिफ्लेक्शन ही बना रहे
10, and 11. I am talking about translation. The first point is 2, 8. Mark this 5, 8 and 5, 11. Now what is 5, 8? Where is 5, 8? 4, 5. 5, 8. And last one is 5, 11. 5, 11. A is translated to triangle B. It is the translation. Okay, done with that. Transform triangle A onto B. Transform form triangle A onto triangle B. Given that T equals to minus 5 and 7. Capital T stands for translation. So translation is given to you. Same question. वो मैंने रेज किया था यहाँ से वहाँ
सर हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो जो कॉलम आया है उसको उसके लिए एक्स एक्सिस पे वो मार्क करना है वाई एक्सिस पे
It is x-axis and then y-axis. 7, 1. 7, 1 is a point. So 7, 1. 7, 1 is a point A, B, C. These are the 3 points. ठीक है जी?
सर लेकिन हमने सेम लाइक लाइन किस तरफ नहीं बनाया
किस तरह?
इस तरफ मतलब एक के साथ ही क्यों बनाया, उस तरफ क्यों नहीं बनाया फिर?
सर वो कह रहे हैं वो
कोऑर्डिनेट दिए
जो y एक्सिस है
नहीं, please.
उस तक माइनस
Translation is added in each point of the triangle. In a triangle, we have 3 points now. It is not a reflection. It is not a rotation. I'm not rotating. I'm not reflecting. I'm just translating. It is just a translation. And what is translation? Translation is a column vector. It is a column vector which will be added in the object. What is object? Object is triangle A. So in object, we have to add the translation.
Got it.
Translation is -5 and 7. So in each point, we will add this. These 7, 1, 10, 1, and 10, 4 are the points, 3 points of the triangle. Now, second, if triangle A and B is given to you, triangle A is over here, and he said triangle A is transformed onto triangle B. Triangle A is transformed onto triangle 3, 4, 5. It is 4. And 6.
इसका क्वेश्चन वो लिखा आपने
One.
ट्रांसफॉर्म ट्रायंगल है
2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9. जी बेटा. On a graph paper, you can calculate these points. G, how can you? 1 and 2. Yes, 2 and 3. 2, 3. 2, 3 is transformed onto 2, 3. This side, this point transformed onto
7
6.
7
6
4.
and 4. 6, 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we can find the translation. Look at the 2 triangles. Are they rotated? No. Are they reflected? No. Is it an enlargement?
no
No. So
translation
translation. So how can we find the translation?
image minus
A onto B. Triangle A onto triangle B. It means that okay, triangle A is the object and triangle B is the image. Image 6, 4 minus object 2, 3. Translation. 6 minus 2, 4, and 4 minus 3, 1. So translation equals to 4, 1. It is your answer. Okay, so easy. Just subtracting.
Very easy.
Sir, we can do this calculation from any point, right?
Yes, why not? I just take the simple one, the first one. You may take the second one or the third one. Answer will remain same. I need a pencil box which included the compass, ruler, and protractor. Tomorrow I need a pencil box in which you must have the pencil, ruler, protractor, and compass. for rotation. Enlargement. Enlargement denoted by capital E. Enlargement. Can I erase? For an enlargement, if he said, please enlarge this triangle A, enlarge triangle A, so what we need? If a triangle A is given to you and he said, please enlarge this triangle A. So you said, how many times do you want to enlarge? So we need how many times to enlarge? It is called scale factor. We need an object. Object number one. Number two, scale factor. Scale factor. Or slash enlargement factor. Enlargement factor. And center of enlargement. Center of enlargement. These three things are required. Scale factor. Maybe scale factor is positive, maybe negative, maybe in a fraction 1/2, maybe 3/2, maybe maybe 2, 3, 4, not 1. 1 means scale factor 1 means remain same. Let us suppose a triangle A is given to you on a graph paper and he said scale factor 2 given to you, scale factor, and center is on x-axis. It is 1, 5, 1, 5. It is the center of enlargement. It is 1, 5 on a graph paper. I mark this one. Now, what is the process? Mark the center of enlargement.
Yes, sir.
Join the object one by one. Join the object with center of enlargement. Join the object with center of enlargement with center of enlargement. Now multiply this distance. It is, excuse me, let us suppose it is 7 centimeter. This distance is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay. Now what is scale factor? 2. 7 multiplied by 2. It becomes
14.
From center of 14. It is from this point. It is 14 centimeter. The new point. Okay. Mark the image. Join the object with center of enlargement. Number 1. Number 2. Measure the distance of object from center of enlargement and multiply with scale factor. measure the distance of object from center of enlargement and multiply with scale factor. Then mark image. जी बच्चों, one by one. Please. It is, let us suppose it is again 7 centimeter on the same line. 14 centimeters. Now join this one and you will get the enlarged diagram. Is that clear? What I did? Triangle A is given to you. And the center of enlargement is given. Just I join the point, measure the distance. The same distance will be produced as the scale factor is 2 plus 2, not 2, plus 2. So multiply this distance with 2. Double?
Yes.
Multiply the distance become double. Multiply the distance become double. Mark the image. Okay? If scale factor is negative, let us suppose scale factor is -2. Triangle A. And scale factor is -2. Please draw this triangle. -2. Please look at the board. This distance, move to the opposite side. 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Mark this point. Okay? On the opposite side, from the opposite side of center of enlargement. Yes, it will be over here. Triangle B. If the scale factor is -2, then center of enlargement will be in between the object and image. Please note down. Take the screenshot of the board. Scale factor is -2.